How to migrate Wix Store to Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can migrate your Wix store or products into your Shopify store. It is very easy and very simple. All you have to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning to the end and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to connect or sign in into your Wix account. As you can see right there, I am already signed in and I have my websites ready. For example, I will go ahead and choose any of these websites that I have created, of course, then we are going to access the dashboard of them. For example, let's go ahead with the first one. This is a trucking website. I'm going to click on select and edit the site, and it will open up the Wix dashboard for that specific website. Now, all I have to do is the next step procedure, which is go into Shopify. Open up a store right there and set up your online store from the themes, the different elements, the sections, and also the blocks for that specific theme. For example, I will let you see here that I am going to use the Dawn theme, which is the standard one, and it is my current theme. You're going to click on customize, then set up your shop or your store first. After you have set up everything right there, you are going to add the products. Go ahead to the products like this, and here we have the option to add the product. Now, here we have the option either to go ahead onto your Wix dashboard or website, go to catalogs, and you will see the store products. You can go ahead right there and add them manually. For example, you select a product like this one. I'm going to let you see here how we can do that. And we're going to see the automatic or the bulk method. Here we have the pictures. You can go ahead and get the images of the product that you have set already on Wix. By selecting all the files, then you are going to download them like this. They save them as images and you will get them. For example, I will give you an example of that. Here we have it. Then you are going to see the product info. Keep this, for example, let's say that you have some complicated or some basic items or basic information that you are going to set. So you don't want to add that in bulk, because adding information or products in bulk will result some ineffectiveness in the long term. For example, for the details, maybe they will be a little bit messy, something like that. The images will not be set with the correct format and also quality. Let's go ahead and copy that on the Shopify store. So we have the product info. You're going to click on add product. This is the manual right there, the manual method. I'm going to set the name as the title like that. And here we have the description, for example. This is just an example for how we can do that manually. I will let you see here then how we can do that, of course, automatically and in bulk. Right there we have the media. We're going to set the pricing, for example, here $39.99 like this one. And boom, here we have the product. You're going to set the tracking quantity. For example, we are going to put like this one. This is the quantity of the product. And then you are going to set the shipping, because this is, of course, a physical product. If it is a digital product, you are going to uncheck this case. And here we have it. And now we have the product. So all I have to do right there is to set save. And then we are going to modify later if we want, or you want, the product type to make some more SEO, let's say, advantage. For example, for the collections, you can set a collections, you can select some tags like that, and etc. Click on save and boom, here we have the product. And we are going to go ahead and see it, the product on the store itself. You can add multiple products and also add multiple images. That was for the manual one. Here, we are back on our Wix store. So we need to export all of the products. How we can do that? Simply, you are going right there into the name of the product. Then we have this case, which is the selector. So we are going to click on it and it will select all of the items and all of the product that has been created or added to this one. As you can see, as soon as I have clicked on this one, or in this case, the export button has been showing. So you're going to click on export. And here we have which items do you want to export. You are going to select, of course, the selected. As you can see, your items and all their data will be downloaded as a CSV file. So you are going to click on export and you are going to wait for each individual product to be set into a CSV file. This process is fully automated. Now we have the catalog product CSV. Now we're going back to the products, which is in our Shopify store, of course. Now we are going to do the reverse thing. Here we are going to click on import. And now you are going to select the file which has the, let's say, right there, the CSV file. So here we have it, the product catalog. Now we have the option to publish new products to all of the CA channels, or you can go ahead and overwrite only the products with matching handles. It is up to you to choose that, and then you are going to click on upload and review. You will see here the description of a product. You can see here this is one of them. This is one of the 13. It has a description and also the title. You can compare the information from them. For example, for this exact one, like that, you are going to see the title. This is the title right there. This is the same, the right there, the description and etc. The status, and here the SKU if it is possible or importable, and then you are going to import products. Right there, it will add automatically the product. Here we have it. For example, it will be importing the products automatically, like this one. This is it. This is the product itself. It can be replicated if it is not verified. So the products will be right there. In my case, in my Wix store, these products are only available like that because I only have this product. The 13 or the 12 other products has been set only for examples. So they are not considered as a real product. For example, this one, I am a product. Here we have a SKU code. You're going to see here that the informations are very random. So here we have it. Now, that was very important, and here I will let you see how you can go ahead and use an integration within Shopify to integrate this CSV file. And you can go ahead and read it, I think, and reorganize it. You're going to the Shopify store, click on the search bar at the top right there, and put, for example, Wix, like that, migration, like this, and then we are going to type enter. It will open up the Shopify App Store and see the convenient right there extension or application that you need. For example, Wix migration app by cart to cart. Here we have a next cart store migration. It will let you migrate the products, orders, customers, and etc. to your store. That was for the products. Now let's go back to the customers and also the reviews. Here we have the menu. You can go ahead and see that we have a blog. Also, you can go ahead and migrate and also export and import all the products or also the blogs, for example, posts. I'll let you see here the posts. This is just an example. If you have a post, you can either go ahead and import the post, or if you have one, you are going to export it. Do the same thing onto your Shopify store. And here we have everything is fully imported and also exported. You can do whatever you want. Also for contacts. If you want to see the customers, you can go ahead and click on contacts. And there it will let you see all of the contents or the contact of your Wix website. Like this one, you can go ahead and export it like this. Select it, export it. You are going to get a CSV file. Go back to Shopify. Then you are going to click on customers. Then you are going to import the customers like that. Either go ahead with the automatic or in bulk procedure, or you can go ahead and add it manually. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.